Don't open a Tickmill account just because you've seen its low spreads. That's a mistake many traders make, and it often ends up costing them money. Low spreads are only one small part of the equation. What really determines your profitability is the total trading cost, including commissions, execution speed, slippage, and how the broker handles your orders during volatile market conditions. So, is Tickmill still worth trading with in 2026, or is its reputation simply the result of good marketing? In this video, we'll review Tickmill from the perspective of a real trader. No hype, no sponsorship, and no bias. Just the factors that actually affect your trading results. Let's start with trust and regulation. No matter how low the fees are, they don't matter if your funds aren't properly protected. Tickmill has been operating in the Forex industry for many years and is regulated by several respected financial authorities. That's an important advantage because it means the broker must comply with stricter regulatory standards than many offshore brokers. Client funds are also kept in segregated accounts, helping protect traders if the company encounters financial difficulties. However, keep in mind that leverage, trading conditions, and investor protection may vary depending on the entity you register with. Next, let's talk about trading costs. Don't focus on spreads alone. You also need to consider commissions, overnight swap fees, and the impact of slippage. If you're an active trader, saving just 0.3 to 0.5 pips per trade could add up to hundreds of dollars in savings over the course of a year. In this area, Tickmill continues to perform well, especially with its raw and pro accounts, which offer highly competitive pricing for frequent traders. But low costs mean very little if order execution is poor. Execution speed is especially important for scalpers, day traders, and anyone using expert advisors. According to many traders, Tickmill delivers fast and reliable execution under normal market conditions. Of course, during major economic events such as interest rate announcements or the non-farm payroll report, wider spreads and slippage can still occur. That's completely normal and happens with virtually every broker. When it comes to trading platforms, Tickmill supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. If you already use expert advisors, custom indicators, or technical analysis tools, switching to Tickmill is straightforward. This is also a big advantage for beginners since MT4 and MT5 have massive global communities, with thousands of free tutorials and educational resources available online. So, who is Tickmill best suited for? If you primarily trade Forex, enjoy scalping, day trading, or use automated trading systems, Tickmill is definitely worth considering thanks to its competitive pricing and solid execution quality. On the other hand, if you're mainly interested in investing in stocks, ETFs, or accessing thousands of different financial instruments, there may be better alternatives. The truth is, no broker is perfect for everyone. The best broker is simply the one that matches your trading style. That said, Tickmill isn't without its drawbacks. Its client portal feels fairly basic. Its educational content isn't as extensive as some competitors. And trading conditions may differ depending on the regulatory entity you choose. That's why it's always important to review the account details carefully before signing up. So, what's the final verdict? In 2026, Tickmill remains a reliable broker for traders who prioritize low trading costs, fast execution, and a stable trading environment. Is it the best broker on the market? Not necessarily, but it's certainly one of the strongest options worth comparing before you commit real money. And remember, your broker is just a tool. Your long-term success ultimately depends on your trading strategy, risk management, and discipline. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future broker reviews and trading content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.